Right, and there it is. We've knocked a fucking great hole in the wall. Looking through here. That's the one there, over to there. That's the staircases I'm making, that's the one of them. And there's the other one that I've made. I made both the staircases, all ready to go. And right here, that's your French door, but that is actually the big room now, see? There you go. Also, when you get the stairs, I can't believe what you see. We've opened the whole top up, ready to move the wall over. There you go. How's that? Beautiful. I got my staircase in. Let's go and see what it looks like. There she is, all the way to the top. Now, a little workshop. Now let's have a look. How about this? What does that look like? Cool. There you go. That's up to the loft conversion. There you go. All done. First phase done anyway. There you go. Right. You've got to see this filthy shit in here underneath all your floors, which we're going to clear out. We've taken the pipes out, but it's fucking disgusting in here. It's everything in this whole house. Under the floors, it's fucking totally and utterly disgusting. So I'm going to sweep it all out, make it dust-free and insulated as well. But look at the type of shit under it all. Look at it. It's fucking horrible. I know, a video. There's one of the graves. And there's another one, a grave. Another grave, and another grave. All fucking graves dug by Smelly Ellaby. How would you like that? Let's go back again. Yeah, fucking graves everywhere. I have insulated the floor, and that's the plywood going down, because that's how it's going to go. It's going to all be in a nutshell. There's the shit that's coming out of the fucking floor. Like nobody's business. That fucking shit in there. Never fucking do another shovel load of it. Fucking hell. That'll be swept out. If I could have passed me the gun, that's it.
I think quite bad in that.
See, that is it. Under all the floors, I'm doing it. I'm actually insulating and cleaning as I go. That's the way back to there. That's already done. That. What it is, the bastards have got to keep working. And if you look out there, you'll see half a ton of shit that's been delivered. That's all got to go around the back today in this blazing fucking sunshine. Got it? We're building the man cave and I'm putting the staircase in. Go on, just all a lot of it. That's it. Go on. Fucking rubbish. Fucking rubbish. All the way along, Steph. I just pull it all out. It's fucking terrible, mate. Nice. Just fucking falling. Yeah, Anderson. Luke Skywalker. That's it. That'll do. Now just pull the rest along here.
you want to get here with a lump hammer and sledgehammers and bust them up and take them out and stick them on the skip.
There you go. That's it in a nutshell. Absolutely fucked, I'd say. Steps are looking good, but apart from that, the rest of it is completely fucking knackered. That's dug out ready for the thing, and we're just laying the concrete base in the thingy as we speak. There's the concrete base going in the man's shed. Nice. Yeah, you'll be there, bud. No problem. It's going well, Trevor. In fact, it's going so well